When the user opens Excel, the FinLite Excel add-in automatically appears as the sidebar on the right. The user can type in any questions about the data into the prompt area. After pressing Enter or clicking the Send icon, a short thinking message will pop up in the chat panel, and the loading spinner appear at the bottom right. Within a few seconds, FinLite provides the answer. As we are using the retrieval augmented generation pipeline, even if user has not selected any target cells, the model will search across all the sheets in the current workbook and generate a response. Besides the basic chat, user can switch across the answer mode from the top drop-down list. The concise and detailed modes are designed for different levels of verbosity and granularity. For example, here we select the detailed mode for a test. In this mode, it is recommended to highlight some cells from the current sheet, so it better helps our model to detect the user intent more accurately. As you can see, the generated answer here is more comprehensive and structured. Each answer also has a copy button. It appears when user hovers over the bottom right corner of a message. Clicking it, it will copy the generated text directly into user's clipboard, making it more convenient to paste into other reports or spreadsheets. In addition to the verbosity control, we also provide a formula mode, specifically tailored for some financial analysts' demand. Here we will demonstrate with the voice input function. By clicking the microphone button, the recording will begin, and clicking it, it will stop the recording and translate user's voice into text. In the formula mode, FinLite provides both an explanation of the financial formula and the formula itself. In addition, user can view their chat histories by selecting the folder icon on the top. This displays the prior sessions, ensuring that the conversations remain traceable and auditable. Finally, we also provide an About box with credits and a helper file, which opens a local HTML page with more detailed functional guidance. So that's all about FinLite, a more intelligent way to ask questions, get formulas, and make sense of your spreadsheet data.